guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I have my printed mint candles. My favorite part of ordering from Printed Mint is crinkle paper. I love the crinkle paper. I am going to show the newest candles to the family, the tin can candles. They have them in 4 ounce and they have them in 8 ounce. So I have 2 candles here that I'm going to show you guys. They have gold, they have silver, and they have black. I did not order black just because I ordered the black ceramic candle. So I wanted to show you guys the 2 tin candles. These ones did not have a sticker on there. I'm assuming because these are probably a little bit too small to have my sticker on there, but I was also happy to have it on all of the other products, but it's not a big deal. Here's the tin can, and I got this in Tropical Island. So initially I did think that this came all the way around, but I want to show you guys that it does not, so you don't get confused when you go ahead and create your candle. It goes halfway around, but this looks really good. I can see the colors that I did. I can see that on here. My God, everything smells so good. This is Tropical Island. It's a cotton wick, so you guys can see the shape of my hand on the 4 ounce here. I'm gonna set it here in my hand so you can see how far it goes around. Again, this is the silver tin can, and that's the 4 ounce. We have the 8 ounce tin can candle in gold or Metallica. I can't remember which one it says. And LPC. I don't know what that means. I don't know what I got. Oh, lemon pound cake. Oh, this is the lemon pound cake. Excited about the lemon pound cake. Okay, I can smell the cake. This is lemon pound cake. It has the LPC on there. I thought this went all the way around, but it doesn't. So you can see here, it comes halfway around. I put my name on this candle in shoestring font because I'm a sneakerhead and I love purple. Oh, it does. Wow. That smell like cake. That smell like lemon pound cake. The grandmothers are happy. The grandmothers are pleased with the lemon pound cake. That smells really good. That's cotton wick. You guys can see this 8 ounce in my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this 4 ounce as well, so you guys can see the difference. 8 ounce, 4 ounce, only 2 sizes, and then they also have the black tin can. So they both are cotton wick. I have Tropical Island and lemon pound cake scents. That is another Printed Mint candle unboxing. That's number 3. I'm giving y'all what y'all was waiting on, and I'm gonna publish these back to back. Okay, you deserve to get candles. You deserve to have as many candles as me, maybe. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and I'm still thinking about this lemon pound cake. I'm gonna have to go buy me lemon cake. Thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.